Hello, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I am going to show you how I did my flower elf makeup. Just keep on watching. To start, we should moisturize our skin using our favorite moisturizer. And then I decided to put on my contact lenses. I find it easier for me to put on my contact lenses before doing my eye makeup. And then put on the concealer to conceal all the dark spots and acne marks. Here I'm using color green concealer to cover up red lines and marks. So here guys, I am using two full coverage foundations since I have so many acne marks on my face, just to cover up those marks. Then the next step is my eyebrows. I am just following my eyebrow lines. So for the eyeshadow, I used the dark blue shade. Then using the jumbo eye pencil from NYX, use it to highlight my eyes for magical effects. So here I'm using a liquid eyeliner from Catrice, Calligraph Pro. To highlight my face, I just used the highlighting drops from Loreal, Paris, using my hands. For contour, I am using Fenty Beauty with the shade of Truffle. Now it's time to put on the false eyelashes. So here, I just doodle my face. Actually, it's not part of the plan, but I think it turned out great naman. So, not a bad decision. So using the nail art gems, I put it on my face using the eyelash glue. I use the liquid eyeliner to emphasize the lines. So it's time to put on the wig para totohanan na. So this wig I bought in the Euro shop for €1. So for my lips, I use my favorite lipstick from Maybelline New York, Matte Ink. So for my ears, I glue on a string so that it will not fall down. And then my DIY headdress. So if you want to learn how to do this, just click on the link button below. And then a second coat of lipstick for the glittery effect on Sephora. So I'm done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, just click like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next videos.